Imagine waking up one morning to discover that all the ice in Antarctica had melted overnight. The deafening roar of tsunamis echoes across the coasts. Glacial rivers cascade into the oceans like massive waterfalls, unleashing destruction on a scale humanity has never witnessed. Antarctica holds 70% of the Earth's freshwater, approximately 26.5 million cubic kilometers of ice. If all of this ice were to melt, global sea levels would rise by 58 meters. To put this into perspective, most coastal cities like New York, London, Shanghai would be completely submerged within hours. But this is only the beginning of a chain reaction that could wipe out modern civilization. Within the first few hours, coastal cities would be flooded beyond recovery. Billions of people would become climate refugees, rushing inland and to higher ground in search of shelter. Major transportation routes would collapse as highways, airports, and subway systems are swallowed by the sea. The immense pressure from the massive influx of melted water would cause shifts in the Earth's crust. Cracks and stress along tectonic plate boundaries could trigger a series of earthquakes and undersea volcanic eruptions. Towering tsunamis, tens of meters high, would devastate coastlines, leveling everything in their path. Small islands in the Pacific and Caribbean would vanish forever, while low-lying areas like Bangladesh would disappear from the world map. Sudden changes in salinity and ocean temperatures would disrupt global ocean currents, especially the Gulf Stream, critical source of heat for Europe and North America. As a result, Europe could plunge into a mini ice age, with temperatures dropping drastically, while other regions face unbearable heat waves. Agriculture would collapse due to unpredictable weather patterns. Torrential rains and hurricanes would become more frequent, triggering flash floods and landslides on a massive scale. While some areas drown, others would turn into fiery infernos. Rising temperatures would dry out forests, making them highly flammable. Uncontrollable wildfires would shroud the skies in thick black smoke, reducing air quality and endangering human health. One of the most terrifying threats would be ancient bacteria and viruses, frozen in Antarctic ice for millions of years, suddenly being released. Once melted, these pathogens could spark pandemics more catastrophic than anything humanity has ever faced. Scientists have already discovered ancient viruses in ice core samples. If these pathogens mutate or infect humans, the world could experience a crisis far worse than COVID-19. Antarctic ice also contains industrial pollutants trapped for decades. When released, these toxic chemicals could seep into the marine ecosystem, devastating fish populations and causing a chain reaction in the food web. Some studies using ground-penetrating radar have detected mysterious structures buried beneath thick layers of ice. There are theories suggesting these could be remnants of an ancient civilization buried thousands of years ago. If these secrets are revealed as the ice melts, will humanity uncover hidden truths about its origins, or awaken unknown dangers? Freshwater will become the most precious resource as existing supplies are contaminated by rising seawater. Food production will collapse, leading to global famine. Nations will fight over dwindling resources, sparking large-scale conflicts. These wars could escalate into nuclear warfare, pushing humanity closer to extinction. Billions of displaced people will overwhelm social and political systems. Anarchy could erupt in many regions as governments fail to maintain order. Some countries have already begun exploring technologies like floating cities and artificial freezing systems to protect Antarctica's ice. However, the enormous costs and technical challenges make these solutions seem like distant dreams. Rumors suggest that certain world powers have secretly launched projects to build spaceships capable of evacuating a portion of the population to other planets. But who will be chosen to survive? And who will be left behind? Antarctica's ice may not melt overnight, but the current rate of melting is a red alert for humanity. If we fail to act now to reduce carbon emissions and combat climate change, this scenario could become a reality sooner than expected. Time is running out. We must invest in renewable energy, carbon capture technologies, and ecosystem protection. Share this message and take action before it's too late. The future of Earth is in our hands.